Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm gonna talk about the differences between learning for free and paying to learn how to code. Alright, so as you might know, nowadays there is like so much information out there in the internet everywhere, completely for free, that you can basically go to places like free Codecamp, Codecademy, lots of YouTube channels like mine that I have a lot of free tutorials, Traversy Media, MM2, Net Ninja. I mean, there is like so many places where you can just go and learn for free. And the good thing is, you can become a web developer just like this without spending a single dollar, alright? Because the information is out there. You go to Stack Overflow, you go to everywhere, you don't have to spend a single dollar. But here is the trick, okay? Because the information is out there, all available to everyone, but it's all spread around, okay? So there is no content all together that will guide you, okay, this is what you have to learn first, this is what you have to build, and just like guide you, basically. This is the problem of the free content. Although there are some places like, I think, Free Codecamp that I think it does it well, but you just don't build too many real-life projects. But yeah, this is the thing. You have all the information out there for free, but you just have to be, you know, like, put the pieces of the puzzle all together. This is like a puzzle. You need to grab the pieces from here, from there, and put them all together just by yourself, when you are not spending any money. And the difference is as well that when you are learning for free, let's say you have a course for free, you have I don't know what else. When you have something for free, you don't put too much effort on it. This is one of the biggest problems with the free content. You are just saying something like, oh, okay, I will study this tomorrow, or I will do this next week, I will leave it for next day. All the time this happens when you have like free content, because there is no urgency, okay? But this is almost like when you buy some really expensive something. When you buy something really expensive that you are paying and putting money on it, you make sure that you want to use this kind of thing. If you are going to buy some expensive clothes, you want to use it. If you are paying a lot of money, for example, to use a car, and you don't use it, what's the point of having the car? So you want to use it. And this applies like to everything in life. For example, this one was one of the things that helped me out as well when I was starting to become a web developer. I wanted to sign up for some kind. I think boot camps. If you have the money to go for boot camps, it's okay. But usually boot camps they charge like $5,000, $10,000. I think it's a lot of money, and you can get like some good content and good teaching from other places like the Treehouse, techdegrees. There is the Udacity Nano degree as well, which I took before. But yeah, I was just saying that when, for example, I was starting to become a web developer, I was like, okay, there is a lot of free content out there, I'm learning it, but I just can't put the pieces of the puzzle all together and do something. I need to push myself. And this is one of the problems, like why there is a lot of people who can't work at home or can't work by themselves, because they are just like easily distracted. Yeah, because for example, if you're gonna stay at home and you're gonna say that you're gonna work this and that, you end up like watching cat videos on YouTube all day and then you don't do anything. That's the same like when you're going into the weekend and you say like, oh, in the weekend I'm gonna study this, I'm gonna do this project, and then the weekend comes and you don't do anything. This is the problem with the free content as well, because there is no one like pushing you to do something. But this is what I wanted to say. When you pay for some kind of course, for some degree, for example, like the Treehouse Tech degree or the Udacity Nano degree, there is now an urgency for you to put effort and time on learning the things which are in there. Because, for example, you pay a monthly fee in there, in this kind of places, like $200 or something. And obviously, the faster you finish the degree, the better it's going to be for you, because you are not going to be paying more money. But as well, it's good because you are like, okay, I'm spending money on this. I don't want to be spending like a year or two or whatever, paying every month $200. I want to just, focus instead of watching these cat videos that I'm watching all the time. Just stop it. I need to focus. I need to learn because I'm paying this money. And this is what I thought really myself when I was becoming a web developer. I signed up for the Udacity Nano degree. Was the only one available at the moment. The Treehouse Tech degree was not available at that time. So I signed up for them. And I was like, okay, now I'm paying this money every month. I need to push myself to learn more what I'm missing. I'm gonna get some projects that I can put on my portfolio website, because this is really, really important to have the projects. And also, there is gonna be a place where the information is just like lined up. For people like me that I was completely lost, I didn't know where to start. Should I start learning HTML or should I start learning CSS? Or when can I start JavaScript? I didn't know anything. There is a place like the Udacity Nano degree, and there is now the Treehouse Tech degree. There is the Codecademy Pro, I guess they are also good. They have the information all lined up, like, okay, first you need to learn this, after you learn that, after you learn that. So they give you like a sequence. This is the most important thing for people who are lost and they don't know what to learn after. So yeah, this was like my choice. I said, okay, I'm going to this Udacity Nano degree. I'm going to be paying every month until I finish the degree. $200 was the price at that time, if I remember correctly. So, okay, Telmo, now I was thinking to myself, okay, Telmo, now just stop watching these cat videos or whatever. Stop going to Facebook, because you are paying this money every month. You could be doing other things. You could be on holidays, or you could buy some new clothes, or you could buy a new game, and you are putting the money in. Let's not throw the money out, okay? Focus and finish this degree. Learn as much as you can, because this is gonna help you get out of this coffee shop job that you are doing, sandwich maker like I was doing, waking up at 3 in the morning to start at 5 in the morning. It was horrible. I remember, okay, I need to change my life, I need to do something. That's why I invested in this Udacity Nano degree. And it paid off, you know. That's why sometimes it's really good to invest in our self-education. And this is you are pushing yourself because you are paying money. You have a place where you have all the content that you need to learn, all lined up, all in a sequence, so you know what you have to learn first, what you have to learn after, and everything. And the good thing is, it's a fair amount of money that you pay, because, for example, if you finish one of these degrees, like for example the Treehouse Tech degree that I think is really good, and I'm gonna review it really soon, just to tell you guys that I'm starting the Treehouse Tech degree. So you pay, let's say, like $600 for 3 months. Let's say that is really easy to do it. Okay, $600. You finish. You have a portfolio full of real life projects, really good. You have a lot of knowledge because you finish all these kind of things. What else? And basically, it's nothing, because if you pay $600 for a degree like this, where you are learning so much, where you have a full portfolio, and you get a job after, you know how much web developers get nowadays? A lot of money. If you are gonna compare, because you don't need a degree. There is a lot of people who go to the university and they are just like going into debt, thousands and thousands of dollars. They are paying this money for the rest of their life. Especially people in the US, they pay like $50,000, $100,000 to the bank for the rest of their lives for this kind of degrees that they are taking into the university, and it's not worth it. When you can, for example, spend a couple of months like learning for example from Treehouse or Udacity Nano Degree, Codecademy Pro, where you're gonna pay, I'm gonna say just a number like $1,000 maximum, let's say, and wow, you get all the skills that you need and you are ready. Well, you want better than this? This is the best investment that you can do for yourself, for your life. So that's it, guys. I don't want to make this video much longer, but it's really just like my opinion. If you are someone who you have a lot of auto-discipline that you can learn from yourself, you are good at finding things in the internet, like the pieces of the puzzle, and putting them all together. You don't have to spend a single dollar, like I said. But if you are someone like myself, I was like that, okay? I had everything for free in the internet, but I felt like, okay, I'm not pushing myself as much as I would like. I'm not sure if I'm following the correct path. What should I learn first and after and whatever? So I just pushed myself and I said, I'm gonna pay for this nano degree, and let's see what's gonna happen. And it was the best thing that happened, because thanks to that, to pushing myself and getting the degree and everything, I got my first job. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. Like I said, I just got into the Treehouse tech degree right now, because I did the Udacity Nano degree before, and now I'm doing this Treehouse tech degree so I can make a good review for you guys, so you will see if you like it or not, what kind of things you can get in there, what kind of support, what kind of projects, and really my personal opinion, so you guys can really see if it's good or not. So yeah, just stick around to see. I'll post some videos really soon about that. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you really like this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you click the notification bell to know whenever I upload a new video. Subscribe to the channel if this is your first video, and I'll see you in the next one.